welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. My name is Craig. Our good friends at Tesstudio have reached out to me about doing a demonstration of their Napa leather front seat leg support cushions. And we'll do a quick unboxing. Now, it does come in this nice wrapping, and here is the seat cushion, which is really nice. Now, it comes in 3 colors. It has this orange color, the white, and then there's also black if you have black interior. Also with the seat cushions, they do have the little discs that come with it. There's 2 of those, and then there's 2 clips for underneath the seat. So let's do the install for you and then get you on your way. All right, so inside the package comes with 2 discs and then your 2 clips for underneath the seat. We'll just keep those in the package for now. And these really easy to install here. Basically just feed it through on one side and then on the other side, just like that. And the same thing for this side. We'll go through the bottom first, like this. And then, there you go, just like that. All right, and then for your 2 clips, and you may need to bend these a little bit to get them go through. Let's see here. This way you have some tools. So we just bend that a little bit. Just do the other one too while we're at it. There you go. These are just going to go in here. Just like that. And same thing for this side. All right, so we're now ready for the install real quick. All right, so I just put the seat cushion kind of in place here, just kind of fits right through the middle there. We're gonna take our little discs and just kind of push them underneath inside the seat here. They're just gonna stay in place. You can just tuck them in just like that. Really easy. And it's not gonna go anywhere now. Now the hard part, trying to get the video of clipping the underneath. You'll have to take my word for it. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so what I did was, I actually was feeling around. I took, if you can see this here, I bent it a little bit more. So when I found a place where I can put it in, it just stayed much better. Same thing on the other side. Found an area, clipped it in. So you have to kind of feel around for it. And then now you have everything set up. So it may be wise to have a little pliers nearby. to bend some of those clips. And then other than that, it looks great. All right, so all right, so my final thoughts on the leg seat cushions. I like it. They're really comfortable. You could actually feel the difference right in where my knees bend behind the calf area. I'm 5'9", so it really fits really nice, and I can just picture being on a long trip and in full self-driving and relaxing. And it does take a lot of pressure off your legs. So if you're thinking about a holiday gift or for yourself, I would check out Tesstudio. Right now, they're giving you 40% off using my discount code TOTALTESLA. And I'll put that link in the description. So I definitely recommend this product. The only concern I would have were the clips underneath were a little tough to actually fasten or find a place to fasten. So you may have to kind of work around that. But even if there aren't like clipped in, they're still comfortable. But the back is perfect where the seat meets the back of the seat cushion. So it's great. So thanks again for watching Total Tesla, and we'll see you on the next video. And thanks to Tesstudio for supplying the great seat cushions today. Have a great day and happy holidays. So I'm actually feeling the heated seats work. I mean, it looks great, feels great, and highly recommend getting yourself a pair of these for the holidays or a gift. Don't forget, 40% off. Use my code TOTALTESLA. Enjoy the holidays. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.